Hey you, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny from Owls and Indigo, and I make videos about journaling, goal setting, and spirituality. Today is time for the private monthly spirituality journaling prompt. We'll be talking about how to reconnect to your innermost true self, your spirit, and your soul. This journaling prompt is inspired by the Star Tarot card from the Rider-Waite Tarot deck, which you can find linked down below. The star represents connection to nature and the four elements, having nothing to hide, the tree of life, obstacles, conscious and unconscious thoughts and actions, being vulnerable yet giving all that is possible, personal growth and development, rediscovery of a sense of meaning, inspiration, or purpose in your life. There are times when we need to escape to our own Eden to reconnect to our innermost true self, soul, and spirit. Take a moment each day, however brief, to close your eyes and visualize yourself there in your perfect Eden or utopia. What is it that you no longer have to hide about yourself? How does this unmasking make you feel? Now that you feel whole and in a state of renewal, how are you going to connect inward to better yourself and reconnect back outward to help others? Remember, no deed is too small. Now I'd like to get into my journal to share my answer to the exact same journaling prompt. I like to do this to give you some ideas if you feel a little stuck, and it's really great to be able to journal together with you and to hear your responses. In my utopia, I no longer have to hide my awkwardness, body, or sadness when I feel down. I'm allowed to just be and exist in whatever state I find myself in. I can be loud or I can be quiet. My utopia makes me feel open and more accepting. I'm able to look inward and understand my feelings and emotions without judgment, which makes me more tolerable of others and helps me to understand their emotions so I can give them the kindness they deserve when they need it most. This utopia makes me a better listener to myself and to others. So what was your answer to this month's private prompt? Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone that you know would like it to grow the Owls and Indigo tribe. If you like thought-provoking journaling prompts, then check out my journal, A Year of Spiritual Growth and Mindful Goal Setting. 365 mindfulness journal prompts. It includes 365 daily prompts, morning and evening reflections, quarterly reviews, a mid-year check-in, an end-of-the-year review, and a simple visualization to help you see what your goals will look like once you've accomplished them. The link is in the description. I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!